Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera. Today we are going to learn a new unit, that is Unit 4, Life on Earth. Let's go. So, in Unit 4, you will learn the title should be Life on Earth. Okay, so vocabulary and speaking for on page 42. Geography and landscape. So, number 1, look at the information about 7 places. Listen and repeat of the words in blue. Okay, what are the 7 natural wonders of the world? Okay, kita ada banyak benda-benda ajaib ya di dunia ni. Okay, yang dicipta oleh manusia. The first one, there are the places our readers chose. Okay, number 1, the Grand Canyon, USA. This canyon in the middle of a desert is nearly 2 kilometers deep. You can go rafting down the Colorado River at the bottom of the valley. Number 2, the Great Barrier Reef, Australia. In the Pacific Ocean, near the coast of Queensland, this coral reef has over 1,500 different kinds of fish. And then, number 3, the Amazon rainforest, Ecuador. The world's biggest forest is full of plants and animals, which are disappearing as people cut trees down. Number 4, the Dead Sea, Jordan. This is a lake of salty water which you can float in. You can see in the picture, manusia boleh terapung. Okay, on the beach, there's a special kind of mud which people put on their bodies. Okay? Ada sejenis apa? Lumpur yang akan diselaputi pada badan mereka yang inginkan kulit yang cantik dan sebagainya. Okay, number 5, the Niagara Falls, Canada. At Niagara, there are 3 different waterfalls. About 5 million liters of water go through them every second. Okay, air terjun Niagara di sini. Memang cantik lah. Okay. Number 6, Table Mountain, South Africa. This mountain, which is flat on top, has steep cliff you can climb and all kinds of wildlife. And number 7, the Blue Cave, Greece. Inside the cave of the Greek island of Castellorizo, the water is a beautiful deep blue. So that's the 7 wonders that has been chosen by the readers, by pembaca-pembaca. Okay, so I will play the audio 1.49 for you to listen. Okay, so you can listen it carefully.
Unit 4, Vocabulary and Speaking. Geography and Landscape. Exercise 1.
Canyon. Desert. River. Valley. Ocean. Coast. Reef. Forest. Lake. Beach. Waterfalls. Mountain. Cliffs. Cave. Island.
So that's the audio about words in blue, such as canyon, desert, river, valley, and so on. So let's look at the exercise 2. Okay, look. The names of mountains, rivers, etc. have a capital letters. Bermula dengan huruf besar. For example, Table Mountain, Everest, the Mississippi. Say, we start with the capital letters. So number 2, copy and complete the table with the blue word from exercise 1. So for this page, you have to answer question 2, question 3, and question 4 only. Okay, question 2. Copy and complete the table with the blue words from exercise 1. Canyon is a river. Okay, what else? Desert. Okay, it's a land. So you categorize the blue words, okay, in the correct category. Okay, land, tanah, and water. Yang mana satu adalah tanah, yang mana satu adalah sungai atau air. Okay, so you can answer the question here. For example, you can write down land. Number question 2. Question 2. Okay, number 1, land. Okay, what is the under category for land? Okay, for examples, canyon. Okay, and then what else? Maybe you can say number 2, desert. Sorry, desert. Okay, and please continue to answer for land. Okay, how about the water? So number 2, water. Okay, for example, water, we already have the answer, river. Okay, and complete the answer for question 2. Okay, that's for question 2. Look, adjectives to describe places: beautiful, dangerous, amazing, unusual, boring, interesting. So that's the adjective, sifat-sifat untuk menerangkan sesuatu tempat. Okay, menarik, interesting, amazing, okay, dan sebagainya. So look to the number 3. Which place in the list do you most least or want to visit? Okay, so you just skip for this question. You have to answer question 3. Okay, you have to answer question 3. So you just write a short sentence for question 3. I love to visit the Dead Sea because it's amazing. I don't want to visit Niagara Falls because. So you just play I want you to write 2 sentences. Okay, the first one is the place that you like to visit, and the second sentence is the place that you don't like to visit. Okay, ayat pertama adalah tempat yang anda ingin lawati, ayat kedua tempat yang anda paling tidak ingin lawati. Okay, based on the 7 wonders of the world in this article. Okay, pilihlah mana-mana nombor 1 hingga 7. Mana yang anda paling suka lawat dan mana yang anda paling tak suka melawat. Okay, so you can write down question 3 here. Okay, question 3. So you can choose the word I love to visit. Okay, I love to visit. Okay, that's one for number 1, the first sentence. Okay, the second sentence is you can choose back. You can use back the answer. I don't want to visit. Okay, I don't want to visit. I don't. Okay, I don't want. Okay, just complete the sentence. Choose the place here and give the reason why you love to visit it. Because it's amazing, because it's very dangerous. Okay, just use back the words here. Okay, number 4. Write a list of natural wonders in your country. Okay, senaraikan apakah tempat-tempat yang menarik yang berada di Malaysia. So question 4, you just list down a few places in Malaysia that you like to visit. A place that natural wonders in your country. Natural wonders means suatu keajaiban dunia, maksud sesuatu yang semula jadi. It's not Petronas Twin Tower, because Petronas Twin Tower is a human made, yang dicipta oleh manusia, yang semula jadi. yang dicipta oleh Tuhan. Okey, apa dia? Okey, anda letakkan di sini. For example, I give you the answer, the samples answer. Belum, rain, forest. Okay, in Hulu Perak, Greek. Okay, so that's the natural wonders in Malaysia. So what else? Maybe you can give me about 3 or 4 natural wonders in Malaysia. We have a lot of natural wonders in Malaysia. Okay. On page 43, you are given the article about family wanted to live on an island. So I will play the audio 1.50, where you have to answer question 1, question 2, 3 and question 4. And the skills reading and listening. So you have to listen to this audio.
Unit 4. Reading. An online news article. Exercise 2.
Family wanted to live on an island. The owners of a small Scottish island are looking for a new family to live there. The Isle of Muck, which is only 4 kilometres long, is one of the smallest islands in Scotland. It's only got 16 houses and a population of 30 people. Life on the island is quieter than in most places. There aren't many facilities. There's no post office on the island, and there's only one shop. As for entertainment, there's one cafe, but it isn't open in the evenings. Technology lovers might have a problem because there isn't any electricity between 11 a.m. and 5 p.m. Its location also means it isn't easy to use your mobile phone. The Isle of Muck has other attractions, however. It's the most beautiful place you can imagine, with white sandy beaches and clear sea. There's lots of wildlife, including seabirds and dolphins. It's also possibly the friendliest and safest place in the world. The last crime happened here in the 1960s, and nobody locks their doors. The residents of Muck hope that the chosen family will play an active part in island life. The most important thing, however, is that they have children, so that they can attend the island's primary school. It's only got 8 pupils at the moment, and they'd like it to be bigger.
I can't think of anything worse than living on a small island. Imagine seeing the same people all the time. And what do they do there in the evenings? City boy.
It's true that islands are more boring than cities, but city people aren't as friendly as island people. Island life is also healthier than city life. Lara, 17.
Did you know there are 787 islands in Scotland?
So that's the audio for family wanted to live on an island. Okay, bagaimana kehidupan berkeluarga di sebuah pulau. So let's look to the first question. Look at the pictures. Can you guess what country this island is in? Di manakah letaknya pulau ini? So if you look at the first paragraph, okay, it's about Scottish, the smallest island in Scotland. Okay, the smallest island in Scotland. So the answer is Scotland, number 1. Okay, number 2. Read and listen to the article. Then copy and complete the notes here. So you have listened to this audio of this article. Then you just make a short note about the island name, the country, the size, the number of people, facility shops, and school. So how to answer it, you just write down question 2. Okay, then number 1, name of island. Name of island. Okay, give the name of the island. Okay, and then number 2, the country. What is the country? Okay, give the name of the country. And then number 3. Okay, number 3, the size. The size of the island. Okay, so you just give the answer. For example, this one is the answer is Scotland. Okay, Scotland. So make sure you write down all the notes here in your answer. Okay, let's look to the question 3. Write 2 positive things and 2 negative things about living on the island, on the Isles of Muck. The positive and the negative. So this question has given you the number 1, number 2, number 5 and number 6. You have to complete 3, 4 and 7 and 8. What's the positive things live in the island and the Isles of Muck? So question 3. Question 3, the number 3. Okay, number 3. Sorry. Okay, number 3, the positive one. Okay, number 3 is, what's the answer? Maybe you can say the positive things that you live in the Isles. The Isles of the Isles of Muck. Okay, the first one is about the white sandy. Di sana terdapat pasir putih, tempat lain tak ada. Kat Malaysia pun tak ada contohnya. Okay, number 4, what's the positive things that you can find there? Okay, then go to the negative part. Negative. Look for number 7. Okay, what's negative? For example, no post office. For example, tidak ada pejabat pos di sana. Because the island is too small, so there is no need for a post office there. For examples. Okay, what else? Number 8. Okay, so just complete the answer for question 3. Okay, and then you also have to answer question 4. Oh, sorry, question 1. So you have to answer question 1 also. So you put here question 1. The answer for question 1 is Scotland. The name of the country where the island is in. Okay, Scotland. Okay, question 4. Compare your town or city with the Isles of Muck. Write 3 differences. Apakah perbezaan negara kita ataupun bandar kita? Bandar Greek lah. Okay, in my town. Read the article and the comments again. Which comment do you agree with? So you just answer question 4. Senaraikan apakah perkara-perkara yang berbeza yang ada di Pekan Greek berbanding dengan the Isles of Muck here. Okay, salah satu yang cikgu nampak di sini ya, it's only got 8 pupils at the moment and they like to be bigger. Okay, the most important thing however is that they have children so that they can attend on the island primary school. Sekolah rendah. Ada sekolah rendah di sana. So what's the difference with Pekan Greek? Apa bezanya di Pekan Greek ni? So for question 4, okay, for question 4, You just list down about 2 or 3 differences. Okay, number 1, what are the difference? Okay, in Greek we have secondary school. Okay, kita ada sekolah-sekolah menengah macam sekolah SMK Batu 4, sekolah menengah Sultan Idris Shah, SMK Greek dan sebagainya. Secondary school. Okay, what else? The difference between our Pekan Greek and this town, this island? Oh, 3 differences. Okay, berikan 3 perbezaan. Okay, so you just list down berdasarkan penyataan anda, senaraikan 3 perbezaan yang terdapat di Pekan Greek tetapi tidak ada di Pekan Mak. East of Mak. Okay, that's all for you to answer these questions. We continue our class for the next page 44 and 45. Thank you.